Alright, so I'm gonna build the shared section. So I'll be creating a component here, share.tsx, and here I will do one thing. Let's copy this entire thing, okay? And here, instead of recents, what I will do is that shared, I'll remove this recent card, and I'll remove this as well. Alright, this is the thing, and let's see how does it look like on the browser. Alright, so let me refresh this. Okay, nothing is being rendered. This is shared. Never mind. Shared. Alright, now it will come. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. So in this shared section, see how I build it. Okay, just focus on this. So flex and then flex call. Alright, and here alright gap will be 2, items will be top, flex wrap is not needed at all, and py2 is also not needed. W full. Alright, so yeah, and now I will be doing one thing. I will be creating a horizontal card. Alright, so I'll create a new folder, shared, new file, shared card.tsx and rafce. I already told you how to do this using an extension which you already have. Here what I will do is, so let me close this in here, shared card. Okay, no worries. And in this div there will be class name. So class name, display will be flex for sure, and width will be full surely, shadow let's say medium, and there will be a slide border. Items let's say center, border will be very like very less gray actually. So px2, py1, gap 2, bg white. Alright, now what I will do is that I will be like adding an icon. So let me go to the browser. Alright, I will be going to the browser and React icons, and here I will search document. So here in these documents, which one should I choose? Well, I guess this one. Alright, this one I will be choosing, and class name text will be 3xl. Alright, and here, okay, it is not still being rendered. What's the issue here? Yeah, icons. What's the issue? Console outdated optimized depth. Okay, like I mean I did not understand like what is happening here. So let's do one thing. Let's try any other icon. Okay, I will try something else. So okay, I have another ID open. So which one? Hmm, So let's do one thing. Let's try this one. This one. This one I will be trying. Alright. And now copy, paste, and it is still throwing this. So let's do one thing, guys. Let's do one thing and not yarn npm run dev. Okay, yeah, works fine now. Okay, so that was not the issue of the icon, but anyway, we got our icon. Now what I will do is that for the name, let's say width 8 by 12 or maybe 2 by 3 also it can be, but anyway. And here white space will be no wrap. 1 second. Alright, the recording is going on. I just wanted to make sure. Anyway, so white space no wrap and text ellipsis. So my document name this will be, and I will add another section width 1 by 3 and then display flex item center, justify will be end, and PR will be 4. Here what I'm gonna do is I'll add a p tag here. I'll add a strong tag last opened, and let's say like new date to local date string. Not interested in doing so much, so you see this. And now I mean अरे ये क्या खुल गया है. Yeah, so there should be a bit of space as well. Fine. Now I'll add like one more thing. So let's go to ID again. Width 1 by 3. Text to Excel. I will show you why. And dot flex dot item center dot gap 4 dot justify end. Alright, so I will be adding a few action buttons. Okay, so let's say vi trash. How did I get this name automatically? See, bootstrap icons are already there. Okay, I mean they will always be there, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, vi share alt, color will be blue, and vi dots vertical, and there we go. We see this. Let's add cursor pointer. Looks good. So things like drop down and all we will be adding later on, but for now this is the thing. And how will you actually navigate? So in the share section, what I will do is that nav link I will be having to document slash okay, let's add a bit of space. You see this document page is now opening. Alright, so on every click this will open the document page. I mean, we don't want this to happen on like click of these buttons, so we will be removing this in future. Alright, for now this is the thing. You already know how to do it anyway. You will go here and you will add that nav link somewhere here. That's up to you. So with that we have built our shared section as well, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put some dummy data. Okay, dummy data I will be putting. So where will I put? I create a folder, right? Data dot no not data dot data only, and data dot ts, and here what I do, export const documents like this. Okay, so this thing only, and here in the shared section let's remove this, and okay, like this, and documents dot map doc, and key equals to doc dot id. Alright, and in this shared card what I will be doing is that I will be accepting a prop called as doc. Let's keep it any for now, or let's say object. That's it. And no, we will be improving the type. Okay, don't worry, don't really worry about that, please. Doc dot title. Oh, it is doc dot title does not exist on. Alright, anyway, so that does not matter for now. Let's see how it is being rendered. Alright, so one last thing I will be doing, nav link to document slash doc.id, and here see this. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted, and with this let's add a bit more space here. Actually py2 and px will be like 3. Looks much better. Okay, and let's do one thing, that here for the font size, say text sm. I will be adding this class here actually. Now it looks good. It's very professional, and this is how we build the shared section. And now comes the real deal. You will be opening this and the editor will open. Okay, that is something that we are going to implement now.